Hello, welcome. My name is Austin. I'm with Appliance Factory, and today we're going to show you how to take the bins out of this KitchenAid French Door Refrigerator. So first we have one drawer on top and one in the bottom. To get this top drawer off, we have these clips on the side, one here and one on the other side. We use a long screwdriver and a short screwdriver to keep from damaging the liner of the fridge. So we'll grab it here and pop it out. We're in, and this is a little tricky sometimes, so almost have to feel like you're doing a little damage, but you're not, and it pops right out. Now we grab the top drawer, pull from the front, lift up and out. Now that we have the top drawer out, we're going to start with the bottom, and to get the bottom out we need to loosen up these two screws on the front of this door, one here and one here. We don't have to take these out, just loosen them. So we'll start with this side. Don't have to take them all the way out, just loosen them. And then your door will pop straight up. Alright, gotta lift up from the front. And then those clips on the back are hooks, so they hook down. We need to push back on it and lift up. There we go. And now we're going to reverse the process and put it back together. So first we'll start with our bottom bin. And remember, these clips on the back have hooks that it has to sit behind the rail. So we will get those hooks on first so that we can secure the front. This is a little difficult. One hook, two hooks, and then it should pop into place. There we go. And since we only loosen them, it'll just hang on to it. There's also these plastic pieces at the bottom that will also sit inside, here and here. So we'll just line that up. And now we will tighten them back to secure the door. 1, 2. Lastly, we have the top drawer. Same way we pulled it out. Back in first, into the gliders. Lastly, we have these. These clips will go in this side. Left side towards the wall, and you just push them in. Same with the right side. They also have the R and the L on them to show you what side they go on. Push it straight in. And that is how to take the bins out of the freezer of this KitchenAid fridge.